What's that you say? You want to shoot videos for $25? Yeah, well, these lenses are definitely going to help you lift it open. Wow. What a freaking nice set of lenses. Yeah, little easy clip. Look at this. Ooh, little suction action. Clip's nice. Put it on your pocket. Put it on your bag. Put it in your pants. This whole case is going to fit everywhere you want to go. Wow, unscrew it. Look at that. It's a clip. Can you imagine what you could do with that thing? Wow, clippy. Watch this disappear. Whee! Now, pull out an old smartphone. Show that it may work on it. Of course it will. No gimmicks here. This is a nice thing. Pretty easy. You're not going to see anything on the other side. Getting up real close, up in there. Wow, what do you see? Probably some weird skin stuff. It's pretty good, huh? Back and forth, little wide angle, a little professional. You know what I'm talking about. You want this. It's pretty nice. You can't get a wide angle lens for $25 freaking by itself for a DSLR. No one's going to be shooting on this. This is weird. What are you going to shoot, giraffes? I don't think so. Ooh, what's that subject over there? Is that a candle holder? It's the same thing I've been shooting the whole time. Look at that. On and off. On and off. It's pretty amazing. Another macro. You like that? That's a tablecloth, believe it or not, on the left. Doesn't even look like the same color on the right, but it is. Shooting stars. No, that's just a stupid effect from a dumb lens that they include in the pack. I don't know what you shoot with it, but you do. Ooh, you feeling trippy? Well, get on this kaleidoscope game. I guess you're going to be in a dreamlike state if you're shooting on this one. No one's shooting on this unless you're acting odd. Little polarization. What do you know about that? Here I go. I'm going to show you where I put my remote control. Throw it right in this little pocket over here with the little cloth to clean the lenses. What do you think of that? So pretty much, it's a great value. You would love it.